All right. So everybody got their uppercase letters matched to their lowercase? Good job. Let's take a look at the top up here at this box. It says, use the sounds to read the word. And then this is the wrong direction. It should say, use the sounds to read this word. And then we're going to use the sounds to make a new word. You ready? Let's read the first word. What's the first sound here? Ah. Put it together. Ah. Am. Now, we've got to change one letter sound over here. Do you see the sound we're going to change? What stays the same? Ah. Ah stays the same. So, we're going to make the word not am. We're going to make the word at. So, we have to change the M and make it a what? At. At. What letter do I need to change that M to? At. Tap it out. Ready? Go. At. At. What letter sound do I need to... The M changes to a T for Tyra Tiger. Shh. Kyla, I hope you're paying attention. Number 2, let's read this word. Hey, sight word that we've been working on. It. Now, wait a minute. Look what little word I see in this one. It. The word that we need to make for this one is bit. So we don't change any letters, we add one. We have to add one at the beginning. What do you hear at the beginning of bit? B. What letter do we write? B. Look right here. We've got, ready to look? It goes like this. Let's read it. B. It. Bit. Good job. Now, the last one, let's do this one. Let's do that on our arm. Man. So this word is man. We want to change the M. We want to make the word, let's say my word, pan. So it's going to rhyme with man, pan. But what's the beginning change to? Pan. What do you hear at the beginning? I want to know what's at the beginning. Not pa, it's p. What letter do we write for that? P. Did you get that? So we read this word. Go ahead and write it. Finish it, look up, so I know you're ready. We read this word right here, look. What is this one? Man. And we changed it to make pan. We read man and pan. Good. Down here it says, use the sounds to write the words you hear. Number 1. Look how many sounds it has. 2. You can tap it on your arm if you need to. The word is in. Say in. In. Tap it. Go. What did you hear first? No. What sound was first? It. What letter does that? I. Write it. Lowercase. What else did we say? Let's tap it again. In. Ready? Go. What was that next part? What letter, Clinton?
The lowercase I.
We've already got that. What was for? Yes, what letter though? N, lowercase. We just made the word N. Aiden, you're right here. N. Number 2. Are you ready? Say my word. Pin. Pin. Tap it on your arm. Here we go. Say pin. Tap it. Go. Do it again. What was first? I heard Lindy say it. Pull your mask down so I can hear you. What letter? What letter? P. Write it. All right, let's tap that next part. Ready? What word are we doing? Pin. Ready? Go. What's that? I for Iggy Inchworm. All right, gotta figure out the last part. You ready? Here we go. Pin. Ready? Everybody, ready? Go. What is that one? What? N for Nina Newt. Number 3. Here's our next word. Pull your mask down under your chin so I can see everybody making sure they're doing the right thing. Say pit. Do it on your arm. Ready? Go. Pit. Again. Go. Pit. Pit. Tap it. Go. It. Pit. What was the first sound you heard? What letter do we write? P for Perla Porcupine and a pencil. All right, say pit. Pit. Tap it. Ready, go. What's in the middle? What letter? I for Iggy Inchworm. We just need the last sound, don't we? Ready? Go. What was that sound? Tyra Tiger. Okay, number 4. Say my word. Sit. Sit. Ready? Go. It. Sit. What's the first part? That's right. S for Serena Seahorse. Right. Ready? Here we go. Sit. Sit. Let's tap it. That's our new one. What is it? Iggy Inchworm. I. Okay, what's our word? What's our word we're trying to do? Sit. Say it. Sit. Tap it. Go. It. What was the last part? You got it. Write it. Number 5. We got 2 more. Here's my new word. Sip. Sip. Do it on your arm. Ready? Do it all together. Sip. Sip. Tap it. Sip. What was that first sound? Just like sit. What letter? S. Let's find out that middle part. Ready? Here we go. Everybody go. What was that middle part? What letter? You got it. Shh. Back there. Move. Move. Okay, we've got to get the last word, last sound. Our word is sip. Sip. Let's tap it and finish that last word, that last sound. Sip. Ready? Sip. What sound? What letter goes with it? P. Okay. Number 6 is a test. We're not going to do it together. I'm going to let you tap it on your arm by yourself. You write the sounds you hear. If you don't get all of them, it's okay, but try to get all of them. The word is dip. Dip. Tap it on your arm. Go. D. Nope. Dip. Ready? Go. D. Dip. Write it, and then bring me your paper. Write it, and then bring me your paper. You do the sounds on your own.